Come sit down and listen to a tale from the mighty jungle. A tale from the mighty jungle from once upon a time.
The mighty jungle!
Anything can happen in the mighty jungle with your friends.
And today's mighty jungle adventure is... Beehive Boogie!
Once upon a time, Boo, and Bruce, they were dressing up in the jungle.
Safari?
Nah.
Ooh, pirates.
Nah. Oh, Bruce, there must be something more fun that we can dress up in.
Well, let's see.
Yeah, cowboy hat.
Cool!
Let's play cowboys, Bruce.
All right.
Oh, this hat is gonna look great on me.
Yeah. On you? Aw.
Well, maybe there's another one in there.
Oh, yeah.
Both of them wanted to be a cowboy, but there's only one cowboy outfit.
There's got to be some other cowboy stuff in here.
Some stuff that goes over your legs, so you won't hurt themselves if they follow off the horse.
Chaps, and I got them.
But I got them first, Bruce.
But
They go with my hat.
But I want to play cowboy too.
Well, there must be some way that we can both play cowboys.
They had to take turns wearing it.
Oh, great idea.
Yeah.
We'll take turns.
Yeah.
I'll go first.
Can I go second?
Sure, partner. Come on.
He called me partner.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Hey, Bruce. You want to play a game?
Yeah.
They could play the game Yeehaw.
I don't know how to play yeehaw.
Well, neither do I. That's okay. We'll just, make it up.
Okay.
How about this? One of us hides, and then the other says, yee!
Oh, and the one who's hiding says, ha!
Right. And then the one who's looking tries to find the one who's hiding.
Oh, by following the sound of his voice.
Right, Bruce. So, are you ready to play the Mighty Jungle's first game ever of Yeehaw?
Yeehaw!
Okay, I'll hide first.
Okay, and I'll hide second.
Bruce, I promise, the next time we do anything fun, you can go first, all right?
Oh, thanks, Babu.
Oh, that's my little partner. All right, are you ready to start counting? Because I'm ready to start hiding.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 163. Babu! Oh, I mean, yee!
Ha!
Oh, I think his haw came from over here. Yee!
Ha!
Or, maybe it came from over here. Yee! Babu? Where'd he go?
Ha! Yeah! I got you, Bruce.
You sure did, Babu.
Yeah.
Babu found a magic boot. Cowboy boots. They flew in the air and down.
Magic cowboy boots in the air?
Oh, no.
Ooh.
He looked at it and saw his nose stuck in it.
There's a magic cowboy boot on my nose.
They started to pull the boot.
I'll help you, Babu.
And the the bee said, "Hey, you better watch out for my stingers. They could hurt."
A bee?
Did she say bee? Whoa!
You better watch out for my stinger. It could hurt.
Oh!
Can I have my magic boots back now, please?
What? They're your boots?
Yes, indeed.
Well, aren't they a little bit big for you?
Yeah, that's the last time I ever get boots without trying them on first.
Yeah. Hey, maybe you could trade them for something cool.
Like what?
I don't know, this cowboy hat?
Sure.
Deal!
Cool.
Here.
I'm off to the Beehive dance.
The Beehive dance?
They started to go to a beehive.
Hey!
Wait for us!
Yeah!
Cool.
There's a dance going on in there?
Have a look.
Hold still, Bruce. It's amazing. How do we get in there?
You got the magic boots. They should help. See you inside.
Huh? No, but wait, you didn't tell us how to use the magic boots. There's only one thing to do now, Bruce.
Right. What?
I'm putting on these magic boots so I can go inside that beehive and dance with the bees.
Baboo? You said the next time we did something fun, I could go first.
I did?
Uh-huh. You promised.
Well, okay, Bruce, a promise is a promise. You can go into the beehive first and dance with all those bees.
Baboo, do you want to go first?
Well, if you insist. Now, I just have to figure out how the magic boots work. Let's see, abracadabra. Nope. Maybe if I rub it. Nothing. Oh, I've got it. When I count to 5, get me into that hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't get it. How does the magic work?
He had to put the other boot with a magic boot again.
Oh, I get it. The magic only works if we put the boots together. Oh, you know what this means, Bruce?
Yeah! What?
Well, I'm not going first, and you're not going first. We're going together. Are you ready?
Yee!
Ha!
He was teensy-weensy because the magic got them so small, that small. Yeah, but that small, just as small as the bees, so they could fit right in.
Hey, Bruce! We're the same size as the bees!
Hey, you made it.
Yeah. So, what exactly happens at a beehive dance?
They do the disco, the bees disco ball honeycombs.
Yeah.
Beehive boogie. Do the beehive boogie. Every bee alive is buzzing in the hive. They're doing the beehive boogie.
Come along to the beehive boogie with me. Bazooba, bazooba, bazooba.
Just follow us and you will see. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I get your wings a moving.
Get your whole body grooving.
And now turn around.
Buzz like a bee.
You're doing the beehive boogie with me. A beehive boogie. Do the beehive boogie. Every bee alive is buzzing in the hive. They're doing the beehive boogie. Come along, do the beehive boogie with me. Just follow us and you will see.
Get your wings moving.
I get your whole body grooving.
And now turn around.
And buzz like a bee. You're doing the beehive boogie with me.
Yeah.
So how long do these dances go on?
Oh, we just keep dancing and dancing and dancing.
Are you ready to go back to the mighty jungle, Bruce?
Yep.
All right then, let's go. Together. Oh, we're back. Wasn't that amazing, Bruce? Bruce? Bruce, where did you... Yee? Oh, Bruce, you really got me that time. But now I'm gonna get you. Yeah.
And that's the end of the story.